Ha?
Bago gina.
Bago na?
Bago na.
Ako yung movie shoot sa inyo, DreamWorks Studio. Tarong na sila.
Hindi na makalasin ko.
He's Rico.
Siyempre, birthday.
Wala ako dyan.
There you go. There you go.
To his mother, he is a good son. An only child because he doesn't have a dad since he was little. It is only them and he cares for her and loves her so much. They even go on dates and go to church together. Sweet, right?
And guys, ngayon regala ka ni Mama and pupunta kami ng mall. Mag-date kami dalawa.
He is also a favorite cousin and nephew to his family. As you see, he always puts a smile on everyone's face. Jude was always an achiever, so intelligent and hardworking. He received many medals in school. He's a natural with a camera, which is what makes him a great vlogger. And of course, he won an award doing that as well. He also loves to travel. This leads his career as a swimmer, the opportunity to do work he loves and to see the world. Jude is a good crewmate. He is a responsible marine engineer. He also entertains shipmates with their vlogs. There's no better friend than Jude. He always has a smile and a joke for every occasion. He's not afraid to be crazy or try adventurous things, whether it's surfing, water slides, or even TikToks. You will never find anyone more loyal or loving even to his pet, friends, and accessories. Most especially, Jude is also a great boyfriend. He is tender and sweet, and never misses out on the opportunity for a romantic gesture. This makes him the ideal travel partner for me. Not only does he love adventure and seeing and doing new things as I do, but just to make sure we capture every precious moment.
Praying to God for how many nights about this, about finding someone who will cheer me up and give me overflowing inspiration in order for me to keep doing the things that I love. About finding someone who's willing to travel and explore the world with me. About finding someone who's gonna stick with me even if things go wrong.
To me, he's the love of my life. Wow. Okay, not all. Don't hear from those closest to Jude who want to give him their own birthday wishes.
Graduate sa high school. Narin siya sa grade high school.
Ay, nagka! Day, dito ko day. Huwag hindi ka umpita.
Sama na ako, naging usapan. Hindi hanap ito kung para na ako buutan siya. Responsable na tao. Ako masayo lang kung pagkakapit niya. Ang ito niya, pag-college ko niya, naligamot din siya nga, matay ko ba sa Norwegian. Kahit ang Norwegian company, kinsay mo gusto nga, matay ko exam, makapasang ko grades. Uy, makuha. Niya, yung mga sikasong kakalang. kung ato na sa mga kasal sila sa kasal.
Bigo.
Sila sa interview, nagpag sila sa Manila. After ato, nakuha gini niya, nakapasar din sila mga bukas na pag-umpisa. Napulako, nakupan niyang mga amigo na nagulog sa una, proud ko sa akong anak kay nanikamo din siya, wali siya pareho ng mga taon na pagdungon kay sa ginikanan. Una ko ipasalamat ko sa ginikanan na nakalicense sila sa iyo tungkol sa iyong paningkamo. Kung mauli ang mga evidence sa iyang mga pinapagalitan sa iyong Compostela, kita ninyo nga, naglinya ginayang mga kita, ako yun pang tamtax kay para makaingon siya ba nga proud ko yung inaan na yan yung nga buhatan lang. Salamat po nga University
Sabi ko.
ang akong president.
Hey, Jude ko mahalaman ka lang yan sa tagbukol.
Bisa mo na siya, no?
Parang amigo sir, nana na sila sa Finland sir. Sila dawa.
Doon naman bubuhol, no? Ay, kailangan mo.
Kala ko nang sabi ni Jude, wala pa sir ba? Yun pala yung ano. Wala mang signal.
Kung na-load, siguro yung signal, ipadala na lang.
Sa kanya pinadala ng ano niya.
Ano, ang bilis na mo.
Pinadala sa...
Salamat, sir.
Isa ni Pinadala, ikaw pinadala.
Sa...
Bakit? Hindi, ganun mo kakaabaw daw.
Wala mo
Ito na yung signal.
Nasa gibuhat.
Na-elite na yung...
Ikaw rin pala mo nikit
Ayun lang sir. Kaya pala palagi siyang nagsasabi sa akin sir na ipanoorin tayo na pang palabas ni Go. Kahapon ba siya nagsasabi sir?
Complot din siya sa uyab ni Jude.
Morning, giaway na siyang uyab. Musta ang love life mo siya?
Okay na, sir.
Nandito ka. Pero sa mga mata ni Daisy ay laging naroon ka. Sa mga magazines. Sa campaign materials. Nagkabahalatang miss na miss ka na namin, my friend. Nakakalungkot isipin kung sino ang iba ay nabasa na kayo. Para magbanto, kayong advance mag-isip.
Jude, amigo.
Usap yo! Dahil segundo dahil.
Wishing you a happy birthday.
Look back. Amen.
Birthday.
Nakilis ito ninyo?
Hello, my baby. Once again, happy birthday. I hope that through this video, I made you feel special. And I want you to know that I'm so proud of you. I will show the world how much you love me and how much I love you. And thank you so much, babe, for always making me feel loved every day. Although layo pa sa sagusa, but my love is very big as the ocean. Ma-enjoy ako dito sa mga celebration sa barko, and always know that I'm always here for you. I will wait for you here. So please take care of yourself dito sa barko and sa imong trabaho, and para makauli ka na safe and complete. So I want you to come home na safe and complete, okay? Once again, baby, happy birthday, and thank you so much for loving me, and not just me, but my family, and yeah.
Unsa man imong maingon, Migo?
Sa Chico, kagawin niya.
Unsa man maingon, Migo?
Hindi makamait na butang memories.
Migo, unsa man maingon? Unsa man message?
Ako memories, oy.
Thank you very much.
Siguro.
Ako mag-expect na nag-iimo ko ginani na video. Okay, abi dyan ako sa liga ba kay ang intro o yung ano.
Dream work.
Salamat kayo babe sa effort. Salamat kayo, love you.